इतनी बड़ी फिल्म का हिस्सा थे, इतने सारे अवार्ड से गुजर चुकी है, कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं?
बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं। आई थिंक हंसल सर की हर फिल्म पे हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्राउड फील करते हैं। शाहिद, सैटेलाइट्स, अलीगढ़, अभी ओमेटा है, सिमरन है। आई थिंक ही इज़ अ फैमिली नाउ, ही इज़ मोर देन अ फिल्म मेकर। सो इट्स लाइक घर वही जैसे शादी होती है, वो जो खुशी है ना, इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ हैप्पीनेस।
इसके अलावा हर फिल्म का हिस्सा रहा है, तो कैसी बॉन्डिंग है आपकी हंसल मेहता जी के साथ?
It's amazing, yeah, the kind of bonding we have. We really can't define that. You know, it's very rare that something like this happens between a director and an actor. But I'm very glad and I'm overwhelmed that we share this kind of relationship now.
इसके अलावा मनोज वाजपेयी जी को एशिया पैसिफिक स्क्रीन अवार्ड।
Oh yeah, yes. It's a huge honor. I think, as far as I know, I think he's the first Indian who has received this award. And I think that's the thing working with Hansal sir. I think we both worked in Satellites together.
And Manoj sir totally deserves it. I mean, that
absolutely.
kind of performance is rarely seen.
I think it's one of the finest performances of the year.
Second time you going to work in the Simran. So how is the experience to working?
What second time? Which is the second film?
Second film.
No, I don't think so. I'm in Simran. ये वाली जो सिमरन है वो राज के बिना है।
Okay.
But how important do you think Aligarh is in the context of breaking stereotypes about homosexuality? You think
It is very important. I think we as filmmakers are also opening up to the idea now. I saw Kapoor and Sons and now Aligarh, and there was Bombay Talkies. I think I'm very happy that we are the perception and the scenario and the way we portray gay characters on screen is definitely changing. And thanks to filmmakers like Hansal sir, Karan Johar and the writers, I think it's a great change.
इसके अलावा बॉलीवुड के जो अवार्ड शोज है उनको भी अपना नजरिया बदलना चाहिए इन तरह की छोटी फिल्म।
I really can't comment on that. या किसको क्या करना चाहिए। हमारा जो काम है हम वही कर सकते हैं। हमारा काम है कैमरा के सामने ईमानदार रहना, अपनी ऑनेस्टी से काम करना। बाकी जिसको I won't say because I got an award for Shahid, Filmfare Award. So I don't know who to change what, yeah. But I think the kind of response we get from the audience and the kind of love we get from you guys is more than any award.
What best appreciation you get from your friends and Bollywood?
Sorry,
Best appreciations or the comment you get from the Bollywood or
special compliment for your character?
Lot of great comments, yeah.
He spoke Malu so well. Malayalam.
Yeah. So that was
Indian. I think.
Yeah, that was quite a task, but I think I managed pretty well.
Patralika, what do you want to say about the Indian award shows and इस तरह की छोटी फिल्मों को भी चांस मिलना चाहिए? What do you think?
I don't know. I think there's a criteria. There are jury members. There's a criteria. There's a jury member who's sitting there and choosing the films. So I am sure they know their job, and yeah.
But getting an award like what he got in Australia is way bigger than a lot of awards. So I'm very happy that Manoj sir has got it, and I'm sure in future, in couple of months, he's gonna get much more of them.
When can we see you both together?
I think soon.
Soon.
We are going to collaborate.
Yeah, there's something that we both are reading and thinking about. So I guess after City Lights, it's time that we should come back together.
thank you.
377 abolish कर देना चाहिए?
कब का कर देना चाहिए था यार। वो तो जिन लोग जो लगा के गए थे उन लोगों ने भी अबॉलिश कर दिया कब का। हम लोग पता नहीं क्यों उनसे बस एक ही चीज़ सीख के उसको पकड़ के बैठे हैं। और बाकी बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सीखने के लिए जो हम सीख सकते हैं, अच्छी बात है वैसे। बट 377 को पकड़ के बैठे हैं। आई थिंक डेफिनेटली उसको अबॉलिश कर देना चाहिए। इट्स हाई टाइम। थैंक यू।